Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, today we'll be picking 3 cards for your general energies. For your love guidance, we'll be picking 1 card and 1 card for the message from your person. So we will pick 1 card here from this deck. So I will leave this card here. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Hangman in reverse, 10 of Cups in reverse, and Empress. So in your circumstances today, Taurus, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have something on your mind, some confusion or something is not clear. You don't know which way to go or what choice to make today. So there is some lack of clarity. You are deciding on something and you don't know what will work or what will be the right thing. It may be your circumstance in your career. Maybe you are making some important choices regarding some projects or some work related decisions. And you have your intuition telling you certain things, and you have your circumstances pointing you the other way. So you don't know what will work or what will be the right choice for you. So some kind of doubts or confusions are there in your circumstances today. And maybe in your relationship, you may have a lot going on. You have something to decide today. Something important is coming up and you are making an important choice today. And you want clarity. You don't know what will work. You love this person. You want to have a family with them or start a family with this person. That is the level of commitment you have towards them. But for some reason, you feel that they are not showing that level of commitment or interest in you or in this relationship. So, some lack of understanding, something is making you, giving you a lot of misunderstanding. It may be their actions or it may be the words they speak. So you feel that you cannot understand them or you cannot you cannot pinpoint what is the reason for the way they are today in this relationship, in this connection with you. And for some of you, maybe you are having a child together and things are going in a difficult way. Before it was something good, but now circumstances are changing in this in this connection because of this child or because of some kind of a pressure imposed on this person. So you lack clarity and understanding in this relationship. That is what I see, guys. So let us see what is the oracle card that will tell us or give us clarity regarding this state, regarding this confusion we have. It says new life, and this is a very positive card, Taurus. So this card just means that in your life today, maybe things are changing. This may be the right time for you to connect with this person in a more deeper way. And this card stands for partnerships and a loving connection with each other. And maybe it just means that you have to go forward towards this person and try to connect with them in a more deeper level for a better understanding. And if you are single Taurus, you are going to find someone interesting. That is also the energy here. But if you are already in a connection and maybe you are having some difficulties, some doubts, confusion, just like we saw with the previous cards, things are going to change for the better. You are going to experience a better bonding, understanding with this person. So let's see what is the message they want to tell you today, Taurus. Would you give me a chance to make things right between us? Such a beautiful card, and it just tells you what they need. Maybe they need a chance from you, or they need a chance to explain things. That may be the energy here, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, battle. So, in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So, if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really, something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. it says rose quartz. So, the energy with this card, maybe in our life, we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So, we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will, what to say, that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day to day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not, yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need, it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.